we were fall off.
Ndakori imagine achitotraumatic nontawa kuri kumrovira
Anodita tinchuma zvanini
ezvava niwedita usiya last
chichipfuka paberi kuti rostopa chichowalisa nezvizvo. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries episode what?
8
Episode 8. Yay.
nandichawana prepu
Nandichawana prepu nonzwa vakamizo nankamizo
nandikaichubu ichikudita mini
ndotosenderiwa nga production manager tindivene
kare
hasi nne ndo ambao mnyanya wanga wapera nongwa chispace
enough. Hi guys. Hi guys,
hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries episode 8.
2 more to a full hand. So yeah, guys, hey, I don't know who mind, man. I don't know who mind.
Ritara 2 hours. Mara batu mambo riba ipopi. Unavanga bono no, and now it's
too short. Kuona. Nana nachifanga the make ndi popi. That's 2 hours up until ndichiko edit and then
you're like, damn.
I no way. Yeah. But then guys, ndati korena kubelwa na memo cause ndaka fa album ya Mizo. Mizo Phyll dropped, guys.
Mizo Phyll dropped, guys. I bet if many
it was written.
It was written.
No, you got me. Okay,
it's written. No, you're written.
It's the same thing.
It was written mini something.
LP.
I mean. Limpopo.
Ndozumbura ti?
Come on. Like, it can only be that, guys.
Ndozumbura ndakusamumbura zori EPA mina mini.
Ufinyi.
Ribwani.
Ufiribwani, right?
P. Afi chifancha wasi P.
Kamzi mzadzo ufi popi.
Ufiribwani mzadzo wawe.
Ene mune ufiribwana ye.
Vafiribwani rachungo wote zino.
Jambori ribwani.
Ufuna chifi LR.
Hai, una P. Kamzi mwana wawe. Hana mwana. Kamzi arena P.
Hai, ezi divi zabana babatu.
Anyways.
Jambori long playing record. EP mina mini.
EP na ina meaning
ingafanga. No, EP extended mean yes zone.
Extended program. Anyways.
Then, yeah guys. No if album you there. Okay, no run to fire there. No first video.
Ndiko ifa zwino ngamachironi. If extended programs akuma. Honey, I'm a genius.
Didn't wonder extended mara. Ha.
Niyapenga.
Ay. Didn't. Genius la vie. No funa magaka neti. Ndita profita.
It doesn't matter. Rarka diri ndopha ifyo. Ndofolo yado ini nari ndirutecherese ndurubona no poster. And like notecherese ubva matomoni ugumaka. Ndurubona no poster. Tinodora kartecherese. Nichi poster nivani kurretain. The one that I liked the first top 5 is Chi 4 Charge na Atinga Dobi. I think it's Rufunuranga.
Na okay, the best can then they stay the same.
Yeah, hey, Nikorufuna.
I like it Rombi mom. It Rombi straight like I don't know.
It's a
that's straight.
It's for real.
I come on Mizo. And then I want to hold her cool for no one.
Yeah.
I don't message. I don't have vibe. Your thing.
Ne. I still need to get him that was the but I know I think was skip. Good thing is I didn't skip any track when I started listening to the album. Ushkira kanamba ndogumaka stay the same, I guess.
Ndopfa zote ndichika stay the same ndingando ipano swika woma 7.
Ni obsessed. Mara ini funa Mizo anyways. Let's leave. Aredicha album to ngoni funa Mizo ili.
Ndikufuna mara. That song it
I'm gonna listen to it. I'm gonna get earphone.
Yeah.
Ndiko rotecheresa zvokuti ndo relaxa.
Na phone kule ni no tepetrol rufumulawo.
Okay, I'll try. Maria.
I feel like come on about
Mizo or dropper, guys, and that's all that matters.
So it's available car, Apple Music. Hey, rufuno ranga tonga ruko ne comes in the phone yanga. Ruko anolida man.
Really? Okay, no nyagor karizame na umlor.
ngazvibona
yeah
and then vachikadzi
makadzi hangodropa
makadzi ukobhora ma
wait hangodropa
atodropa zvafull
ungodropa nganyimbo kandingendi
utanga kudropa ngafriday kana ini vathu vakoda vakuona
yeah royala wow okay that's a good strategy then.
And also ndakozvima zuri nezazvinayisa anoshutanga Wednesday at least ni yakonowana zvithu zvinji zvoiteyawo fanela rochitanga Thursday zvinoshuta Monday kuti obva Friday hata chimwe chitori chablind
unosva vhene mulova ini noshuta just like
zvifaniisa
tozvimwaira
ngavhaziyosvati una ndiri like ine lantiori itonga album ya Mizo saka ndiri yakudu anti ai
arikwana niyafuna Mizo mara
zvavukuma mungani
veniko usva vana vakorera pfanelo dzavo
Mizo nonevonela mimi yamusi kuita ntu ukobhikwa kishini umililo pedzi afindi Drake odropa po so ela veni kosva ya
hoti yaoshimisa ina nekakava
urakuti akutendera ntu
ichisva you can still change it kana atoita nje kuposta nje kwa vibes you can do it for him
domutera I'll do it for him waikakanva nakafunda ita simple time usungenda jananga kanva either way nanikadhi ambori richikadhi vakamiza kuti ndazvinji blind ona vaka line up ya royal if ojena cause asoti vana officially loves also
mara vasamujenisa after that ne I don't know you know Venda people near they were the posa mabodere stage and you know them you know that bobi yaposa nyabe
una remse
unabe wakoposerwani
na urumba chikuwa
come on why would you get mad at the fact that someone ukuimanga chikuwa
Venda man like
mara vasamupanga after this ndobona uita na video yako thank you I told you Mizo is so humble man he's so humble yo uba cute I'm just like
I don't understand why Mizo achihana dzire dzine rakamupa rado aramuwana kama kia VIP like zvikojena guys zvitu uri Mizo ohanoita ntu ubukiwa so hati zvamuti vakageneral ngori hana cheredi tiangobukiwa ndizvine mbaravara yako
wow that is such a low blow I didn't hear that part ondoipfa nditonizoijera
dude what do you actually mean by that statement
so ukwambori the only time Mizo eats nimzobukiwa ndimzo ana so okay how was nagigi Mizo unandala is that what he's saying
yeah ndizvo zvine
wow yo no wonder vokwambo feel like Venda reto sedzerana pasi like arisedzeri vasinga vamwe vathu sedzerana vasingari nevane because how would you say that
antonyadza vathu mbaravara
zvamuri asingochada enjoy ya royal ngachiredi yava nayo because ini anongomubuka so basically ini nasamupa he mustn't eat
so uvasina chiredi ini royal isingombadera and then avakambori ona imwe statement chompira lingatondochitamba ruraro ukozamuri mini mbaravara achiri fimini hava vathu richivapa platform ndi platform kurwane mini kana utonga mumwe mtu ari uchifila statement chikantu chikela video yeramention wakai ndiapulera zori we're actually growing also vathu vachoto ka TikTok
uri menshana guys ndikade good at TikTok tinisongomblast
no posta video ya February
ndipyo
kudzwa nyimbo dzamachangala
no se February
mara ndiyakare ndizvinda kusamamba
no ndiya this man ndiya July wait ndiriga mini zvino
August September
ndiya August
ndiya July
no
tikadwa episode 1
no that was not during episode 1
mara either way ndiyakare
ndiya msindi live grand no ndiya ndichikwe live grand zvino
yikoridza machangana
ndi golo ini ndikauba ini yapenga ndiya
then uza ndo tanga ramanga zakaimwe episode kana miniwe kana ndotonitexera ka WhatsApp
phone yanga ndinayo wandisatundisumbedza before watu vachiri ndoposta video
zvikola chipinga
azvikoula ivani kwamba ndandikotoda tikonyango uchipfi mini
yeah so ne at dizumba la problem
20 August
namsididzika
how namsindi
13 September
but that's what I do I don't post zvitu immediately
nchaulwewa
no nditobori ndiyava ndikadhidecide or is it Instagram worthy is it
TikTok worthy all that
TikTok ndikodoguda guys
yeah that's ndizvo zvina ndikuzamamba
mara tinoposta yaka asi kare ini yazvipa man
nazvino
yes
ndangambara vale
hangozvipa otovasedzera pasi
otova greedy also
angava greedy ngechedisi yawe
that's the thing also atikopfesesa ne
definitely is not
yes also avachikamba zori uri mini I even called Mizo I told him I will pay you from my own money I'm like kana kuti vati ukaona ugaini nadhobhadhira Mizo.
So huko pfi mini pala petu. So vari vava komupa 15 ayana.
Ila ntiori akopaila 15 ti?
Ari ndituku.
Kana we tidivi.
That is why vo make jibori yoruga 15 ene vado eda 10.
Vado eda 5.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Yeah.
Yo, Mara, can we talk about how make G's for the people?
Why?
I saw there's a Fund a Chila thing now.
Yeah,
I mean, they had no reason to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had no reason to. Out of the goodness of his heart.
After
I'm just
that,
like,
after that 1 million event, we need to have 50,000. Also, so
Nanga ela ya Black Coffee abela chede to that Black Coffee charity, whatever.
I didn't know about that one.
You don't know, yeah. About you always chede abela.
But not distributive.
Yeah. You need to be. When God blesses you, you need to be a blessing. Exactly.
Yeah. So, and then what else?
Mizo must perform.
Oh, and then in this corner, that branch, what should I think afterwards? We'll make after branch because automatic party welcome.
Yeah. Oh, nendi chani pala.
Nendo ibona yote. And then nakadusari party yambara bari guy. Ayo. Yokatiwa.
Why? Maybe you're not pesa. Mara, you can't miss it. How can you miss that?
Like this.
Because definitely a baby you're using 2 minutes.
Tabirondo mbona uvumbi man.
No, don't come na clip baje atina
mano. Nendito shuma.
I'm just like my nigga.
Karafunane. Natina no.
I'm just like chomo yori nechi speech. Mutara responsible no speech omkala. Hayi mkala boy.
So yeah, uchiko bizwa tabelo radete ambe ya verera nini. He's not here. I'm go. Hey, baby, jichiko hana. Choro, we're not here for you. Who ni. If you knew see the cheveda chole.
You go do me loud.
Hey, if you knew, hey. I think you are more than Venda.
I'm around the guys, but I called the way. Yo, anyways, so Marapati Makazione.
Patiam, Yamakazihoni, Tifika Tweke, Natabreone. And yeah. And then the Amro go on Murandofuna, no, doesn't have box voice note. No, after his relation zone, and I mean.
Yeah.
Also, that goes wild album is your car, Apple Music, our corner, either one and the band, send us what material. And then Arkapatambaro room for net.
So we need to call backs now.
Repori. Ukorimi. Last abe.
No more would that you would the phone.
Himself a business.
At least as GB.
Niritoreo.
Urumedi was CV.
What's a business?
Urumedi was CV. Please.
And by the oh, and I could do something to also tea on the phone.
Yeah, Mara, I told the data she oh, you
ring. Is I know.
What do you know for Mama?
Revisa camera.
Hi, Bugs. Hello.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Rico Shu, Tati, and Tanga wanted to ask you something. Why was there? Come on.
Like, G did this to me like last week.
He
was talking to me like he's on the call with me. Mara, I didn't know people were recording.
At least in the we're recording. Let's talk.
Hey, Bugs.
Let's talk. What's up?
Good. What's up?
Sir, how are you?
I'm all good, man. Hey, nyako divanga that situation yeah, Mbarabari, or was it actually true or okay, unya 15 we Toma. And then what happened? Or you can just break down the whole story from us, not the figure, because already one was Zawad.
No, I don't. Like I said, I told you guys the first time, I didn't want to touch much on it, but okay, because now it's out. Let me just break it down to you.
Yeah, thanks.
I sent an invoice of 35 to the team. We were told it was too much. We were advised how much to charge, and then we sent another. another figure.
How much did they advise
and
you
then
guys
it was
to charge?
still denied. Huh?
How much did you guys charge afterwards, after they negotiated?
We came back to 25.
Oh, 25, yeah. And then?
And then the last thing I got was that the lineup shortlisting was full. That was the last statement that I got.
Yeah.
After that, after submitting that invoice. So whatever that transpired going forth, I didn't follow up.
Okay. So if they're saying the lineup is full and then after that incident, yeah, make Giangi Nandoin. I mean, lineup is no space. They haven't officially booked you guys. Because I feel like that's also another thing that people are not considering. But then it might not even happen.
When is today? I just don't know if the situation is going to change. But yeah.
But then
we haven't received any word going forth, So we're still hoping maybe. Yeah, we're still hoping maybe something will pull through, because as committed as people did show on the behind the scenes. So yeah, we're just waiting for something or someone to say anything. We did reach out, so we're just waiting that we're gonna see a way forward. But we really, really hope we can serve the people. That's what we're hoping for.
Yeah. Shout out, man. So as it stands, Phyll is not in the lineup as people wish that it could be. So that's just it.
Yeah, right now we're standing on faith. We believe if it's gonna proceed, it's gonna proceed. If not, then it is what it is. But we are positive it is gonna see a day going forth. I hope so.
Yeah, I'll see. Today's still Wednesday. There's still Thursday and Friday. Yeah, hopefully something will come up before the date.
Yeah.
Okay, shout out to
so, my brother.
Have also got to get an outfit Mizo, ne? I was going to wear something.
Either way,
oh, you guys are definitely attending.
Yeah, definitely going.
Oh, you guys have a table already?
We're thinking of one.
Okay. Don't come on Friday, ne?
If it was on my heart, lady.
Hey, I can't change what I'm doing, sharp. Mara still shoe. Man, guys go edit a podcast to go to me. Still nzama.
Podcast ni mrao rawange. Ngoto ona big zulu. Ngoto
ona
rasta.
Itu chumela. Ndiko. Ndisiko ngobe ndozira ntakula box.
Mbara bali. Namba fundla ngadwana zo. Namba bali.
Raropiwa benga mumdazi ngosenda ka group. Hangari bonyoli ebe hari divi and have to be around better phone. Do you understand?
I'd rather bonyoli wako zwipha. Is do or die.
Okay, that's kamini. Ka Instagram muti. Mara ndo senda ka note, right? Did I send it on the group? Okay, we'll get the number.
Yeah, if Razwana the phone and all that.
So, kushu guys.
Phyll out one of the officials is there. As we were saying, we were supposed to hey.
Possible rasiwe one ende nasokukwata nasikoposa mabodero mara show yabayovela.
Can't wait for episode 9 because we'll buy the fire.
That's cool. And then the dot of information to refarasi.
Someone
go to I don't think I'm gonna go though. They go to the after party, the all white Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
iPhone number guys are kodziwana mara dodziwana. And it's easy ngoridziwana paka WhatsApp mara anyways.
Hi, it's fine. And what else happened this week? Mudau on an Apple event. The iPhone 15 dropped.
How is it?
Okay, the normal one, the 15 budget. Mm-hmm. Is that a budget phone? Yeah, it's a budget phone because we're in a cheaper store. At least now it has a dynamic island. Like that's one thing I liked. Okay, when I'm to 13, because also 14 in a 13, 14. Whenever they will say it's the same thing. Mara
13 na mini?
13 14. You would think it's the same thing.
Yeah, normal.
If you mean notch, that notch, they're fine. They're normal.
Okay, not the pros.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how is the 15 in your name, the pro?
Pro is huge in a dynamic island. If I'm not 14, we are gone.
But I feel like it's time they change something, man. We've changing.
Titanium. That now is in titanium. Grade 5.
Mara guys,
iPhone yampeza. Like yeah, ikanda wachincha frame. Inoitwa ngataiti nyao.
That's it. Andiri kutorenga nyati, but that's the sad part.
And it's carbon free.
Ndobona hori rumange runora uri kudrive rongolofi iPhone users zikuto kuengedzwa chende ka contract uri upgrade.
Ndobona imwe uchikofi iPhone 15 drops. Afizwa ngato bahanje bosukurari so. Ushoka digigini. Toto DJ yako bora so. Hapa la ulofi. Ndi private party. Zosukurari zino.
And zikudobias. Those shumas all say weekend.
Flag ya green na white iko
shumo. Venda weekend.
Flag ya green na white iko bapanda.
Unajua kurotsa venda ngamshumo.
And then also nifanga okay iPhone ukibona ati unazi product nje za Apple zifana zi watch do you think watch necessary would you own one if nchona chere ya antu okay arine yakuma na msinto ana chere debo ya normal
ndiko itoda mara usi for first of all tina watch ya normal ti. That's first thing first. And I don't want to say because I don't afford it, because come on, una watch is over 500, 600. To mtu watch. But I think ila ndiko ifuna luxury. To be honest, I don't know. I've seen uri, but when message kayo na mini item. It looks fancy. For me, it's just for that. Not. I don't know uri. Ingaba ina zingwe features the best. Zineti the DB, but
yeah, yes, you know inazobo.
The watch. Yes, you know.
Yes, the thing. Yes, you know ti. With at least nazo na chiboramin kawachi. Phone ikorira chikwamani ti ndikampapose ukubvisa wache no even achakori ndinyi abvisa phone chikwamani afara so ila when nachingabvisa phone nayo misa chikwamani
mara ubvisa phone why not you visa when it's here,
then what's the point you check a watch no dona visa
mara I blind mtha
yes you know I blind
it was no rena zirone una posho like the what it's fancy
inkamba za zvino yes zvino ni fara so zvino ichiko ring nsoko
ya mini waji
awana ni dio visa phone zino
okay mara no ni mara ni apindura na message on that one
kama message ni apindura fukeno
you can do everything utoba comes as a phone mara
that is why not
no mara okay I be honest uri ndisedzera uko phone na nyindi wona this is the person I'm ignoring ndabva kazvo ti ndairicho yo right or rather mbara bali different mazo zo waniwa or rather anyways, or rather, okay, mara ini does it make sense to you? Ubaniko type akakutukutuku kungapa when you have a huge phone where you can just type.
That's the thing. So let's feature about this. Guys, I'll try on. I feel like yeah, it's possible. I mean, and yeah, then let's feature engineer. Like blind. If you not it, I think I renga.
My birthday is in a few days, so please.
So on your say busy. How it
went? I need an Apple Watch.
And at least you go charge nga type C chargers. Do you think it's a good thing, love tonight? Okay.
Is it? Okay. And I don't know anything about that watch, eh?
Not watch, na phone. Phone you go charge and wakwatisa miza bimizo or mini iPhone cable irisa na mita. And la video.
Like chitu ko irisa mita ngorme.
Or cable la. Cable iPhone.
Uriyadokhera.
Yadokhera irisa muta sio nena.
La cable ina luambo.
Ngamanda.
Na luambo nene yanga charger ibvinduni. Una
the development ikura nenyana ka iPhone 15 is nice mtu anokunya go tengera
rengeriwa guys ndaba chirwake indi zvino
hela zvazi price faces it okay atikote faces amara ange indi $100 it each dange no by default should be 8,016 it should be around 16,000 it
really
It over 16,000 chidange. Mara paniko though they
were double the yeah.
Double times 10.
Okay.
So iko though paniko when you wait over 20 I mean. Allows I still iko read lama.
Wait, 15 Pro iko though 20,000.
No, 15.
You need the budget one.
No, either get a 16. Mara I'm showing I to price Japan or new guy. Mara feel like
maybe that's why it's cheaper to buy phones overseas.
Mara find one about the customs and I mean.
Okay, Mara it makes sense. And I remember the battery customs are 5,000. So just could be able to take a phone.
Nothing else they say.
Last time.
Oh.
Yeah, that you bought the 5,000.
Yeah,
hey, so it's just.
Hey, not more on any phone. Which one was
20 reserve 6. 26 16 17
iPhone ipyo
6 lokuduko ndakushumisa usvikira kuchitobhalangana and then asvika point ye ndawana imwe X vo
newana kanyi X ngamba iPhone uti ndiko make sure mama very no next ani rengera
yeah and then ubva hapo ndakunoda kai
ngishimisa ipyo
12 Pro of which I'm still very much happy with it. I don't think I'm sindichiwana. I don't know when I Pro. Still, I'm not going to get rid of this one because I realized how the iPhone 13s and 14s are normal. My camera is still better. If it's a Pro, if the camera is this taro, like ni says, but what you said 14 and 13 and whatever, Mara still roba ushumza phone yanga for cameras for pictures because I think it's because the Pro, just these 3 cameras, I think they make a difference. I don't know, but the pictures are just nicer compared to unless I 13 yabe Pro, can I 14 yabe Pro. So yeah, ndaba ndikorenga 15 yabe normal. I'm not gonna change.
Hey, na iPhone they thought that ichika the iPhone 6 yari 7 very 8 year that appear 10.
And if 8 you'll be blind. The camera. Yeah,
maybe.
The plus.
I think
the 8 plus. Apparently the camera was very good.
Not X. Yeah.
Next, you XS.
Yeah.
Ini yawe kurwani.
And ayaji fanana yantu.
Ne.
Majevani.
I don't know something. Ndizo. Ndikombozo ma 2020 nap.
Rine phone zorenga zinoriko renga 12 ti obva 15.
Dziba dzikutsa.
Mara face out. Nore face out mulweni.
13 mara dobe kufareya. Ringa jumpa 13 ringa.
Nanda ndijumpa 12 ndaka 13.
Rabono ringa tsani.
Baby ni convince anu randrengera iPhone ayango. Venda zya konde zistu. Mara do you think the one phone ya bukuma ine nanga wana below 10,000 kana even say 13 phone ya bukuma
ngwamba rose zamini
the uses of the phones these days suzote na mini
camera uses dzanga tsfana dzanga bibi ni sedza zwithu zwinji I just want my camera to be fine and
yeah suzonanga camera zirali na mini na space also
ne for camera
honestly no space ka phone
ne for camera honestly I don't think the dobanda kuna ingwe than an iPhone.
So now,
no you want a selfie iPhone ini it's so real, it's so pure. And then abane dzila dzine batho ba kore I blind body ini are comparing for iPhone just because it makes you look unreal. That's not good camera.
Ndaba phone for iPhone ne ara ndina chita iPhone kwa renga iPhone
he munna ni wone ukutati wa ufye ibisa zimzona compare just because hiyo ni ponza.
Kana if yazuma guy yazuma chikepe
chilwa nyinyi. Okay, why riko nyanga chikepe? I just want to take I just want to have a good selfie.
Because you want to swik ati chizoshika chikepe ngeno. Auna ndi ndichizoom chikadzira kule.
Why could you like okay why?
Toenda bona nafusaboni zvinokuitwa chikepeni.
You know, zvinoitwa kuti
zvinoitwa chikepe chibukati. So you want to swik. Auna ndi zoom. Simple as that.
iPhone ndi phone guys.
Whatever phone. Yeah, whatever.
That's A2 dziba sharp.
A2 za Samsung.
Kombora areno fara yeyo no 1.5 atbona ndina 1.5 korenga phone ndiyosikoya
na 200 na kala 500 na ndo mufarela
kana mberenge
nomrengera Nike mbili
kami yako dani. But anyways yeah dzone bo iPhone bo ndiyo ne phone
you don't know but I mean I know white and I know red in the white in the phone I don't know why
ne
I know white and red
ndaba na khala ka chino chiti as long as I have it nine ndosko
na yellow
doesn't go decide.
I would buy yellow.
You would buy yellow. I feel like linganaka
yellow itonga chi A45 cha yellow also
mara hey yona ke blue asi hey mara yonaka this blue
itu dark ni majita ino mara I don't think atenda kama msizana
ini why not send your phone number or phone nene
don't send phone number ndi hapa
Dinazichere sharp.
Yeah, so I don't make kambara phone and refi first.
At the time.
Mrengeni phone dzikushuma. Rengani time momuna. Rengani time rikuita tukamba. Daru kambanga structure invene ngochibona. Who's the melody?
Ndabona lingo le video la lingo boli tu chapa la bari. Aba coffee not enjoy pa even this side taste it.
Taste it.
I'm just like, okay, ndoibona pati amsi bakopisa veni iya ingeni Univen uroke mipi bakodirwera o
bakopisa veni kana kopisa ilanyara.
I don't know marti yoduga goloi
to go off your pisa police station enge
una ingwe yebe ko move like the big
Nyara.
Why?
I don't know. Ini uzobwa iyo chifu phone.
Zwo ri finyala zwone.
Ifinyara mamuna.
I don't know layo. Yeah, so eji kopisiwa iyaphala ndo face zori maybe vakudirwela gore maybe nabone vako vathunja back. But then pachiboya police station I felt like they were taking it too far. Police station but the meaning nga zwithu nga rights dzinokhoriwa.
Makodoro kha vahumi vadzura nepo.
But that's not where the fight is. The fight is at school. What could you run a management watch call? Police station.
They're bringing the fight to them now.
No, they are probably going to injure about many people to report cases. That's normal. Like, why are they taking business here? I don't get it.
I'm sure I'm going to order pizzas. Remember last time we just tried how could you the pizza cars deliver?
Hey, I'm serious now. I'm going to chanza.
And then I'm going to check and do
Ne.
Yeah, damba. Atomvonyora kana mini ndendera ndama
ni dozvipavo rabvonyoriwa vathu
urembara oribvonyora
and then ndonga ndiyazvipari chiri nditanga from Black Couch ari who is Black Couch
zvinana ndava nazvo reyaka wapfanga Mizo
tomendange minutes yo
and then ndobvisa mumwe muthu uri why uko strike Univen ti reasons dzone dzimwe dziyapfara dzimwe azichamika vo sense but then vathu ndi vathu vadorera zvisafana yotoma enda uzofi fimini vakorera sleep over.
Wow, really?
Like
nimbaby
nobody chira mwana room eneko adere naye and then also vakonyaga data dza off campus
dzine vadodzishumisa vadziri rumuni dzavo
off campus mara does that thing make sense?
Wait, how avadzuri campus ini mara vakonyaga data off campus and azva NSFAS vakunyautorumiriwa ngauniversity uri nichisvika yani dzichimisa so everyone is supposed to get free data.
I feel like this thing became a norm nga COVID and remember it was like online learning so vathu vakuona data free uri vatenti vakunoita zvavo zvachikoro I mean zvino COVID yopera class nomeri vathu vakadziyanga data still so hey atikopfesesa zvakukoma uri hani and then vakunyaga free academic record
okay zviyambo mara academic record yabhadhiriwa kaniwa I think aniwa ni free yotoma kana yeneyo yonobva after that semester and then nibadhira dzothe okay
as long as ninge thoda unless nditami kwa digital kwacho kungolo mini not mara zvinongoita kuti ndiani okay guys ridovya Univen ti
dzinzin waende nichuwela vakadhina vala mulwana tututu
mutusiva ufundo chiwesa mbiri anga korara
noyango nifara mbiru ndamulore relationship ikafela noyango arite push up nyana
naguri
hello
hey Mr. EMcee
mutsombe
vari mini na then right wakamana Kingsley after unobva ka Black Couch man.
Who's that?
Kingsley vaka Black Couch I'm sure avari divi noridiva mara maybe after call dari kudiva navo ai yeah so rari kuvona like clip yantu yaka TikTok oti yamisi vathu vakorero ri Mizo ka perform and all that and then talking to Mizo Phyll management vawakamazori how to book watch it and all that so people just want to know uri udava onena nga nditi Saturday Saturday
abendi wari ukonyago mubuka
so be ani uri kunyago mubuka ti iko katanya baba kwa rimini
I think mutu amba uzobuka Mizo Phyll in the EMcee, right? Yeah, call EMcee and find out.
Not for EMcee or they're just gonna top up the 10,000 kaela 15 ya ufu dofi wakana
Royal both Royal bono bukiwa rontana line up.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can't book any artist today. Ngaurina machero mungodo daru kotoda mumwe.
Yeah.
And the chilagwa chitoko fela mngata asi imbizo. It's not a government event. So unfortunately not. Rimufunanga manda Mizo Phyll. The reason why we reached out is because we respect his craft. However, aringo kono kushika hera kesesana. Marabo make and offer vachiri data plan. Try get EMcee's number and solve Nipo Varimi.
Okay, I'll not stress it. Thanks a lot for the info, ne? No starches about.
Sure, my brother. Thank you.
All right, sharp.
You should have asked for Meji's number.
Wait. Yo. Baka kuparula same time as you talk of fairy.
Asimbizo. Ndanibuza. Ndanichitoka cheti lecho. Ndanibuza ini.
No, na udina nazo ngori kwambo mini. Udina zo rutotonga udori pindesa zunge. Hapo amba ngo ina ranya kuidiva.
Yo. Anyways.
Hey.
Hey, I have no problem. Nemar daruzo na Mizo so star sharp.
Yeah, rodo kata phone. Don't check number phone da. Don't number phone da EMcee. Mutando mtextera kwa WhatsApp. Rani kamera number phone da EMcee fina zo fast uri kushoot.
It's a mess.
Kid shit.
It's a mess.
Shita malume.
Yo. Yeah, anyways.
Univen is cool, guys.
Yeah, who do Venda? Basically, Venda is on fire.
Yeah, literally.
Literally, punda mareo te abala uko duga.
Usukange mlamboni wa ruvuvu nandoni. So tezuko uswa. Yo.
Anyways, guys, yo Roswipa. Yo.
Can't keep that off my mind. As it talk of it.
Ile actually de bakuzikumzendele Mizo EMcee kama mzendele na wazi go perform.
Ya 10 eti?
Kama mupe. Bona mu promise yone ms.
Patori, nganyi. Oroto bukwa nganyi. Amjomba after show charge of the EMcee muna. Tukatani zwa net ngado mubuko mutu. Rona runopedza.
Oh, utobori bathu vabono record. That's why isongo pangiwe
ila. It's your Kailanti clip ya EMcee. Damn.
Oh my word. Let's continue, guys. Univen redo buyaka vanoni arera wana phone number EMcee.
Oh, and then also if you stop fast kushuma as gizara, that makes sense.
Yeah, that
people
makes
should
sense, yeah.
strike like yeah.
But you're big about your tamba, yeah.
And then students should be allowed to change from off campus to on campus now.
They should be allowed to change what?
Jambo watu not ono kudzuranda ono kunya go uya vaje vadzura ngoma.
So that's not allowed.
Jambo razo kuti ndi mara mbusi yanga ndio ri wako uya pitu una space.
Ndokunyongamba zvone uri mwa uchitoma ti usually razidzi dhala napo chipi like dhala nikuti yo yanda.
And the reason in niche opto yanda ndingori no ya racing ngomuna na dhala. Awona mtu nanga sokonango yandawo habi fana mini.
Zvino kapsuna vango bona obva vukati yamwa. Havana space. But I feel like we avoid that uri so complicated zviti imagine ukuthi yo vana uba uko jena vathu wako I just feel like it gets okay, anyways, at the Vichunga management wa university mara. Yeah.
And then we want allowances for our students who have not been receiving allowance since June. Yeah, what wanji was the one? EMcee. Thank you.
Ango jena chitum.
Jana ka ziko doyo ziko baka. Guys, rido ya Univen foot.
We
Ini. Yeah. I'm zero that's color.
Episode dia zikolo banga.
Rona color.
Roni muzori ngaitira chimwe na chimwe beyo.
Chingacho riwa.
Chichikona striped horse. Ichokhambiwa.
Edzre kuluniwa.
Do you think he takes like calls even anyway?
Ardobona ne. Asejia. Adwana da solo fast. Chimwe rand.
It's solo rinadziwana kanye. Festo sangana zinadzo solo. Cause boya to that murumba thing kadomubudza boya to that murumba thing together.
Festo sorana solo.
Achikofara.
Akofara mutafone rubi.
Chatomfonera murawo tichambe zvo zvavewe. Kwamba zvanga zvimwe ndakaombera grandjo kana something.
Ndikorabe bumaliola mtu.
Come on.
I'm just saying.
Come on, netumaliwa.
And then vatu wakona the allowance over June. I think
zvi make sense.
Na vet I think very fair na.
Yeah, media allowance mini ene swazi. Kana ya.
Dobe ene swazi ya. Cause strong la zunele NFS tela zori zvino arichani pachelede either through university kana zotogumena kana miniwe. Not sure about that.
The NSFAS yaichitambudza ndikuzvumura chikoloni yo it was a mess.
And then kunyagea YID stipends adizo ndizvamini. And then ino ndiyo need to keep pfesesa. We want all modules without lecturers to get lecturers now. So una courses now nto. But ma lecturer.
Ine elodbal ngachimanga chamsi uchitiyoba oyo module uchi kuti yofunziwa uti yoiti yani hauna muntu onoda
probably self study vangachiwana this communication
no that's bad
achidipa high school ilaso
basi yo mdededzi zvinafa you can't because ndoti yomwara anyways so yeah eyo yepfesese yavo mara
and then motonga fast we spoke too much English. We wrote a lot of English, but our cry fell on deaf ears. Kinako afi emoji yoswa.
Yo ninga.
Yazwe vachiava pisa zini.
Mara wako tunjeganyiwa musi.
Nono tunja mumwe mlomo of the incoming president.
Like honestly, wako baisara. Mara I guess.
But that's the struggle though.
Violence, so that's the struggle.
Struggle I know findo chiwana with peace. Bono dizama bomo ati magandi ve mara zvino pano ukonyage handu ya.
University ndandichizvifuna izvo tungori tinenda kizula ndo uchibaya chakachwa wera. Ndandichiva itofufu uko Thomas strike I go out I go kill. Rena zvasa reaffect so for us it was off days.
Shino hey.
Wako mena improduce.
Ikamini WhatsApp. Wow. Kubera ngoro rwebo WhatsApp ndo chiwesa urosendwa mini.
Njua
penduka.
Anyways, yeah, I very quick sapana. Mara I feel like I don't know about the one who's never got to the zone then they might as well continue. Mara bako by Sara and I don't like that. I don't like violence.
But then that's how people respond to our cries these days. Hapa South Africa. Pato bokwatwa na pave yothele yang matongo ila yona kelela ntsweko lobwetio.
Ndikumbula uriched yapi noko shuma.
Papa beria or golezi songo veni songo pira.
Pato pata buti wona butse mende na mini.
Wait us dinner basoko zithopa wenje.
No, flonzo kuona zvito zvitopatiwa.
Voto kondo vya zvavo. Wait building kana civil intuni. No, ona civil.
Mara one matangane angasibalo pata.
Deva upata mcheto.
Onoimaima. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, arize panda izvo WhatsApp yam ira niwete WhatsApp.
Hakuite nemo. Fmin. Ropedzanga in Venda. What else? No, it's just that man. Vatu karaba korera struggle. Vatu kabare but then just make sure you are safe. Rengasiri vatu vasongora because also vatu vachira kuva nazvinhu vakotoda and vavoamba zvisipfiwe from the get go. So
also that type of violence is just a bit too much, man. Like jambore arero hovana vapolisi vo vaisara varova vosvoida cuz let's go. Like do you understand, guys? It's a bit too much.
It is soft, man.
No, I saw soft.
Batman.
Even if you Batman. But anyways, I'm just saying, Uri. Okay, Urwandi zone retriolo mara. It's just a lot. I hate the fact that you see a damage you know pira shuzne kuzakotodiwa. Cause university ikotoenda futi yapature tulafunga the same money kuti yo fixe zvine makotoda so kuti yo vana chedi yo fixa gizana yo fixa the pavement futi
votomona ntumamuna ATM ya FNB ya absa
and then they're going to cry again but go bury withdraw inside the thing
ata ko withdraw mini tipo ione chedi vono comes we pamule land
oh mara kuti yo vana ku ATM ka investing wena inwe
vatosvimisa FNB udoro dida vantu
do you understand what I'm saying uri vava kuurwa mara vachikuengedza like it's just
and then also ndi go that mpha kwamba zori these people vachikuurwa zvavo tino reasons that no dzipfa dzine dzava validity havane liar sleep over na mini media yange nda zvino uko va portray as vatu va bad cause uko fi vakorera sleep over vonanga checho chine ana mtina mtino donya kuima navo uri wine kuita ntu nikorera sleep over.
But so, that's just how the media is. Ito pura party yeneyo pedzi like media ina. You know I was watching that interview at Toles Muno ibona ila yamzi yakubudza watu wanga mrawo vafumule. I only watched it yesterday.
Like Ed chinga chote.
No ibona mroba pedzi and I'm like how he didn't mean it like that.
What
like
over
akwamba you see he's pouring out his emotions, he's talking. Nyam the both like that thing makes him so emotional. Yeah. And then imagine the kwamba ngasuza sensitive and una posho ngamrao.
So
arembulu arembulu can the people at the back just shut up? And then I sapana no amba ngamrao apedza vakubuzolori I hope you understand that I'm not being aggressive. I'm just frustrated.
Yeah.
This thing frustrates me. So nobody took that part.
Marne was zvipa Tolesmo. Hi.
Oh zvipa min.
Ilanti angevona ntachiri oboye ka was it DJ Fresh ka wow. Akwambore I'll never date any woman mini.
Marezo asuzvipa.
2 weeks later chikokisa muntu wamara roka green.
Marezo asuzvipa ezo. Ndo misi no pfoba. Any munhu ni avano no niko pfongari. Okay, let's say for example muthu ane ave lose spouse chawe like otoloveliwa angaita vow ambori I'll never in my life love anybody else but the situations it's the same thing we're going to talk about feelings situation yaba situation ukupho baba osiwa ngamsadzi there's a woman that's coming showing love what must he do he's human at the end of the day and he's young he's not old
I'll never love anyone
you know and the feelings is a decide otherwise
yeah hey what was point out to worry vangu vasitana vasoloveliwa
many songombutsa zvandingalusesa I'll never love I'm just going to be like my brother I beg
sati vana video minyanya not even a video man
why till death do us part
imagine no cheat ati mtsadzano ani vhurela TV ari bona ngodzifadzi vow dzanu ngori kana toita mini kana ita mini I would never
aviwe ndingadzidzula navona aviwe ni muvenga chiti when it comes to cheating ni aditodzula navanhu kombo ovonakela but mtu anga ndingaditoisa panda you guys don't care
and then also ti rikambezochita nami ndovona mwe muzana ndika podcast ipiyo kana vachikambori would you leave your man for cheating ari never fazana namadhuva ukuita mini mazi
ndingori ndiye zvilo zvina ndikambori it has become a norm they think it's normal vapfori auna munhu asadochitawo so if I leave him for cheating then I'm definitely going to leave the next person I'm going to date as well because every other guy is going to cheat exactly so that's the mentality that we have bachisvika kaini kan zvino badawalisa bachisvika kaini ngori ndani namukona sad
that's the thing so jambore
ona mpo urachit uri
yeah achit tindi zvinakamba
baba navadawela bachisvika kani ndi bus stop baba unazvo
bus stop ndika kavadina kavadzana ndikampo ne ndinoona bus stop nane bus stop yongwani
ndinoona bus stop yetanga na bus stop opaka mabhasi maviri ane chituri
hey ndavona acoustic and poetry yo dropa zvinhu munova kuzodropa chimwe Mizo Pulu acoustic
unove phone yanongotanzva plate nchiuya announcement aibo
and then ufi
elibedini
ndangwadeti ndisi 21 iti
za December yo taminye no dropa ne no rika September guys ndandikofonga rikadiva kumurao ne this year was a lot
vachikolo watosara October pedzi
grade of the trial they go resa
andofi
iropeka ni divana ide
ichizvera fer koni preparera
vateko dore ni kuti
exam ya nana nayo I know man yeah so what drop a price if you mean 100 rand early bed
zvamburi imwe ikodoba
ikodogonya probably aingava 150
arivabudzise
nyofonenyi
rifoneleni katimu yoteni
ziyatrama zvitu
I know Figo I know zvavudi
odhalesa vathu mamuna
yo my eyes are acting
ndiani acoustic and poetry zvavudi ina vathu vanji
I'm sure ndi team I don't think ina mune rifonele chifigo
hai fonani
zvavudi
fonani zvavudi kamera za wapa mzizi
aiwamba ne isedzanne and then my eyes are hurting I don't know if it's the light
no it's not the light nochiwa zvinowamba nani
no automa before ndingachiwamba na zvavudi na hello hai zvavudi uri mini pedzi nendione so we are live on the podcast nerikoshuta we want to ask a few questions nga acoustics and poetry azongoseya onowaka maiki kaya so anyways we want to know robona if you mean robona poster and then rabona early bed ikuita okay and the rand so we want to know uri ikadi dogonya na and ichigonya ikudoba guy
ikudogonya but usually I'm not sure yet based on we're still calculating how it's going to make sense for us but early bed is early bed obviously for sure the one is we'll update basically. We'll definitely update.
Estimate nyana.
Black Couch corner didn't
for now I can't say anything because well you know us, there's always like people saying whatever they're saying or so
yeah, that's why rakunyanga upirisa vatu na kaeneyo part uri ridivo rinamzi ichigonya at least ikogonya ngavo guy at least let's have an estimate price
we just
kare vudzo ringasipire guy
I do not want to like say something and then when the entire team has decided somebody was something different.
Oh.
Yeah, last year quit up guy normal.
Yeah, last year quit up guy.
I think normal you won something 150 if I'm not mistaken. And then at the gate you have a bit of 200 if I'm not mistaken.
Early bed yeah last year you wave guy. Yeah, 100 rand.
I don't think did we have an early. I don't think we had an early bed.
Oh.
I just remember before, I think you were buying a 150, but at the gate it was 200.
Okay, and then Black Couch, you could do one a stall kana.
I'm
just saying, Chodo set up. I'm just saying.
It's possible. Actually, I think you guys can pitch it to us and we can hear what you guys have. And then we could work around that, you know. Already you guys are doing great for Venda, so...
And you guys are doing great for Venda as well. So let's come together. We're going to get Merajena right at Rush.
No.
Team Cool, come on.
I think let's get a... Since this is a pitch from you guys, let's get a pitch. And we properly talk about it so that everything is executed with excellence.
Okay, Tanga wants to say something.
Nah, man, Nyanga is too simple. Hey, man, yeah, you got a minute. Right, but nah, just want to know. So, line up, you know, Diana, can not no umbranga would
but you know, we don't reveal the lineup, so it's how it works. We don't reveal the lineup.
And then Mrobati, this other guy on 4G, opposite with me, there was a stake of money. G blind. The gig promoters, not promoters, like managers, so how much should we give the artist? Give them a 6-pack of alcohol. So, with you guys, like, do you pay the artists?
They are volunteer artists and they are paid artists. Paid artists are the ones we go for. If we go to the person and say, we want to book you guys, come through.
Yeah.
We definitely get to pay you. But if you are the one coming to us, we get to have conversations or, okay, we do have a slot opened up for new upcoming artists. So that's how basically it works. So, but now what we're going to do throughout is we're going to make pop-ups throughout, right?
Yeah.
And leading to the show, that's where we're going to be finding new talent and to know who to get on stage.
Okay,
and they're going to be paid.
For the pop-ups are open mics. So it's not for your well-established people. So, but whenever they want to showcase their talent,
okay, exposure.
Pop-up. Yes, for exposure purposes.
So what goes now una rems wabo badilwa kaya last time. I think that's the last time I was there. Open for my way when they were there.
But all the big people you know are usually paid.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
All right.
Shout out, man. Thanks, man. Ranyo to one of the factors. And
thank you so much for plugging us on the show. I know that this means a lot for us. It's definitely going to give people route to us, and just post our links on your stuff there so that people can know.
Yeah, as well as it are on Bangadi ticket dashune.
Yeah. Sharp, bro.
Sharp.
Have a nice one.
Sharp.
Yeah, guys.
That's a little Venda.
I'll post the link on it was it.
Yeah, record was this there's ticket. Roy manda fala.
Is another fura.
Oh, I imagine I knew.
But in order to buy kwa wudi ku puma ila cha
Dongi.
Ai, not puma.
Puma the minute throw.
Yeah, and throw la zakare za thick.
Then you throw a mapula.
So yeah, guys, this is price no farms. Of your last year was 200.
Mara, and then we are sorry, like the upcoming artist.
Hey, now you got Janakala.
Yeah, because una batu baneti, batu abasa to do mara, they are really good. And then people no run to an performer ka show taro ziko tevega na waka the upcoming artist. Ash fair. Ni wononga EMcee to abadilwa.
Oh,
EMcee is good. Have you listened to him? What's them? Yes, each in them.
Yeah.
If you that guy is amazing.
Do you think I just feel they regard him as up and coming?
I don't know. I wanted to ask that, but I was like, no, let me not put him on the spot. You know.
Yeah.
We can ask him.
Now go on as you know. No, go on as you know.
Na imi tunakamutse no ruo batiriwa. I don't feel about this okay.
La musiti.
I don't feel about this okay.
The big artists that
you know what? Maybe.
Yeah. So that time I won a Gooseba, una Rams, 20 Rams, na Mizo. So when watu wanenga badili at that time, the rest to me
na
were
20.
Up. 20. You think he's up and coming?
I don't know.
Nyam divine. Oh, Jamboro, yeah, it's not happening.
Oh, Kerekeni.
Oh, Jamboro, I'm too serious.
Yeah,
and also una Rams understand. Hey, bro, so what tenda bachini vids and so badili.
Mara are of you utondi wa undi mura ngora performer hill song na lutra performer bushi Rams. No, Jamboro na ndi mudu.
Overtime. Wait, what are you overtime yeleti? It has a message on it, Rorutro.
I didn't register Jamboro. Ubatanyere dombo chorus.
Kare basa revidzi zinorisa vavidzi vavafariwa ngambiti yai.
Oh, ndio Ronova. Look at
iTunes.
Oh, okay, I must listen to it.
Venda ukotomobva zvipiri through music man. Na Mizo mulova kaila kari rimbo ori above this ornate badiri ndisatu above this ornate performance ndisatu badiri wakani.
Mara Mizo mara wako doleza mfano wangu.
Aish, barabari. Hey, it's fine, man.
Hey,
so,
guys, ndikusifa Venda sikobuyati. Aribero kuhambela. Na muzibatu boto zvifewo
ne bale uri. Zakuma.
Yo.
So, what else? Hey, man, that good aunt. Into yaka prep ya last week. Na ndamdera those bonus. So, rokupira black text futhi namusi those bona ayora face.
Black text yora 5 very emotional.
Jambo rikara batho kodera black text bato sokoda ro ayingwambi babona. Jambo sikuyudza na rini. Ngosokubona zote. Yeah, so the guy how much are you willing to pay for your kid?
Any amount.
Any amount. And needs na cap.
Ndino guy ndina chede. Kana zvinozo ndabana mwana. Bezvo zvinondabana yekotero chine vaspark hapa. Midrent tina chance.
Yeah, because then go check out the top 5 most expensive schools in South Africa.
The first one
ndichikeva ndichikolo cha Mbuso.
Cha
Mbuso chikeva.
Kataba kuzogonyanga 1000 every year.
Na Kuro kwetambiwa.
And watu wabonga Kuro ndio ni best.
Watu wako badela hapa cause vete already. Ni badela again. The fees done ishombre roughly 100.
Zangwa
100. Tuition only. So are you tanga so the tell us body na mini. 120 130. Yeah. So next at the time I check, I think I got right up 120 150 around there.
Herukamba the university. Okay.
Mara hapa ndikamba ngazvikoro.
Chikoro cha like high school and yeah.
Zvinonga dzikasele. Chikoro zone zvazovipa rungu.
Ndamba chotoma ndikuyongopfa.
Number 5 ndi St John's.
Okay.
They are paying 330,000 per annum.
Number 5. Okay. Unachenda chipfa chine ndopfa mwa kwamba little sister yawe through nga weekend akwamba little sister yawe oboya tripini obadilwa 80,000 Paris, yeah. So
Paris,
yeah, the trip ya chikolo yozo. Zino high school ni wonga school fees ni ugai.
This is dope chiri. Raro ya Australia nga trip. Grade 6. Rina grade 6 ria guys keva.
Nena ndi Mpumalanga ni.
Ndika
grade 4 Kruger.
Ufigai
na. No rengeno ingwe KFC.
Skumas da.
No rengeno KFC na manik next.
Nguzwana.
Na Tropica.
So hey, and then number 4, the Rodin School for Girls. They're paying 338,000.
Okay. This South Africa body? Okay.
Oh, chi Gauteng. Na St John's pa no Gauteng.
Okay.
And then Rodin I think Parktown. And then abana St Andrews. Ndishani chine chitanga cho dumanyana.
Where is it?
Eastern Cape.
Okay.
They're paying 340,000. Nambe bena kuvisa 340 ngangwa arike ndi amwa na.
Naviani kore my name is.
Achipedza kunonari. I want to be an artist.
I want to do music.
I want to penda.
I want to do music. Music is my passion. I want to rap, y'all.
And then,
yo, the guy did this.
I mean, about top two that the KZN. There's Michael House, car number 2, which is 347,000, and then number 1, I think it was meant to be in the Hilton College, so they're paying 370,000. Hey,
Shambura afeira grade. Niba no visa at least 700,000 in 2 years. I want to kaftina beapone. I want to transport you. I want uniform. I want trip.
Maybe it's going to bodin. Mara either and I want
trip. Still na we bodin mamuna.
Oh, nika manga trip. Never last vashke wazori. Mwana trip ninga force so ya 269. Hey.
Ngami.
Ara nanga that song adzi trip nini.
Jiba zikutuza bewe bana mara zikutuza ba baby.
Hey, ambe zikutuza mara zikombera bori ne bana siala shuri. Imagine.
Hapedzo afizwe educational riko zviperi. Afina mzinsa kuya ndiyo badira. That's where they are not fair.
Nangwa bambiri so era vyari chimangwara richibuya. Kruger tida zora na bambiro itwani ngawo
hauna okay ngokuda mini Kruger chino kudoni tuza zvino
ha ini so and then amara kadi ndijina kazi comments kiza ya put out comments zori top 5 mini uchikambo fee hechikoro ine simachezo ya dura zoti zitwa builder most of the business people vanema successful cause angepeto wana network ini there's connections obviously cause vana vavo mutsipa kudojina vane varamposa vajena vane vatabelo bvumbi vajena vane just an example and then from there va build that connection between each other and then vaita vava the business people and the sharp so
mara ndiruti hezvo uchiva na meeting are boarding how often do you guys see each other as parents
no besides uri ndiruti una meeting ya baby
oh mara like
vana vachikoro
vavangana you know
build a connection
kotsi nyinyi ndi ona Pick n Pay kotsi nyinyi ndi mini damn
kotsi mundu ara mutwa kotsi wa Pick n Pay volova zve
volova zvino mara vaspa vakadva one na Shoprite vibes but I'm just saying Uri now that you're putting it like that it makes sense
yeah, like,
I'm going to drop off my kid come drop her off somewhere on a hill
zapuma like that because actually
ngaba complex
reneso wona zori miyanyi vaita mini ndozvifa vori havala kuringisa ndimi ndivone miyawo
baby one most of them is a housewife vatangana yoga
yeah so hey vatu vari vena chelede rite vana vashu
vana vashupa kuti yoshumesa
do you think rava chikolo cha Venda baby vanga vadisa okay not to that level mara ya 300 mara 100
but Venda vana chelede they just don't have places to spend it
yeah
there's so much money that's why they spend it so much on alcohol and whatever on paying bills and whatever hada zvimwe ndingazvimwana zvo vatu Venda vana chelede
tochitoma chikolo ndachiwisa chikeva because
hono vana fancy at least
you judge
idinodhidantu tanudzima
yeah so yeah unoitwa na pay as fine ufuko dana unachimwa chenda meeting ndiya yani ti chikeva then akambo chigwena
chiyo high school
ichila chituku
handuna muo mtuku chingapa
wari kozere
chamumini
chamutukana
chifanana ini chifiji
chindi cha Mudau ti ndivadao simple as that yeah so shikeva vorachibvuma akambongo fees dzikotogonya tuition fees dzikotogonya school fees man dzikotogonya and then afumini rikanyagopata na pool I'm sure ndina 2 years ndikone kuzori dopata pool mini mara zvitamuzori nasavona pool amochedi aikosvika so ndingazvorodova ragonyisa namwaya
mara chigonye every year
yeah and zvevo rachibvuma pamba ngeiti meeting wambori vunji aveni rapano nevadhedhedzi and ndinganidiva ndikatonemana papa point out vamwe afi the reason mwana apano asi hangi unina funza wali ndazori pano rekodisa quality education ndari yo
do you buy that story do you still think Chigebe is a good school
nah maybe for English just for English nje
ipyo English ipyo
for basics yangona for English but une abed it have you bed for English school of tomorrow but it's what you fool what amba kharanya ngori mwana the English songana misa school of tomorrow
Chikeba chikwa chicha chikwambo Chikeba and you know it
ambaningo
be honest we were speaking English in Venda. Ambani ngo. You know the English if you know.
No.
Your mother beat me. Like we were not speaking. Let's be honest.
No, maybe I speak a chance.
Hi. Okay. In English, how come you
obviously,
can you say question? Be honest.
Nah.
So
TV.
In each, you know, when you go for
Mara unant basics zaban. Oh, yeah. Chazino ri watu wanyo kuguda chukwaona baka grade 8, baka grade 10. Ouche na kwetu ndani come on top of the tafula. Sasa zina ndichifawango kuziyamba.
On top of the tafula.
Zacha Mizo so.
Nachikeba uchazione zo.
Ndasifaone.
Wana and there is a kaidziwe.
I came here with a bicycle.
With a bicycle.
Yes, so that's
no,
car foundation fees. I feel like car foundation fees bako builders.
You think so? For me now, I think progressive would take the cup for now.
I'm not sure about progressive.
School of Tomorrow na School of
Tomorrow cho wangamanda. That's what people are saying.
So progressive will take the cup for now.
Berflamu.
Na yo tonge queen. Let's be honest, there's nothing going on there.
Yeah, that's what happens.
There's nothing going on, mamuna. Like, eh?
No man was of ANC Zina.
Nena danos wana meaning. Danos wana nerkadiba one uri. Zorini bagay chikorin chipi azunam shumo. Roshika ola wana wamrowezia jiawani ubaka grade 8 uska achko bachedza. Chikeba chote chimrawa. Onchina chedza ola wana baka ara. That's when I realized it's not that much of a big deal. Like
no, achikeba chiko ngudiso kona zvino maravo.
Okay, ngachipinga chacho achingori gudiso kona chingori gudisa chikuwaro gudamini.
Atizo ina kuguda.
House nana sports ino gudamini.
Sports oroita nyana.
Okay, ino gudamini chikeba.
Chikeba. Ezvipfinyana zvachikwandi kuzidiva palana vana vaifenenda chinofa kwambiwa ngavo Brian vashikwamba
ngozvibana ochiwana yani
adagurisa rine
vatu vati vava blind kachikuwa ndi vatu vane hayani vobva midi nehwambo ngachikuwa not uri I think chikuwa ndochiwana mpfuge crash ngori rachirwiwa nichamanga chivenda zotontraina pedzi uri
nachikeva vachirwa nichamba chivenda
vachifundisa urwa nichikokana matsi pedzi izvo zvachivenda mini vazanirwi nari bhaisigira vava vakazvinirwe
tindonokomana vangarima mara rani kuhamba klasini
crash rindena msina wanonokomana ndonoenda rorofi ndori tamatisi ndikadzina Univen crash ndechemwana mamuna ngazva ndi mtuka
aritukwe
no but for real I'm just saying uri aririchozvipa credit heyo
necredit ndikuipa foundation fees
ini noguda mini
foundation fees tungoita chikeva
you know the after foundation phase. Foundation phase bakopa mini.
Zvine muratu wanga kuwana. Yeah, so that's just it nje. Cause then auto move.
No, what I figured kaba ashubo jena one baba. Ninga uri baba like where ariko bona bako ba blind divane ene munendo dozor kaba na bothi nya dozo una uya ne genius una uya ne average una uya ne umini kaba la bangwe bane ba average everything was still the same and they were not like complaining or no una ngwana ne hoyino ni kaba pay attention kami. I bet the reason why we pay so much for school nduri hukono bana class ibe isongo dalesa ngozibona ne mundirizi wo akona ambore ho ngwana ndiko bona una problem 1 2 3 but if you are paying so much
sorry class ya dando subana na chike also
Rajbari 40.
Hey, 40. Hey, Jessica. Shikeba. 40, 30 something.
Oh, Jessica, 10. 100.
I'm going. Rajbari. I don't know.
Literally already at full. That's when I realized, this is my table.
Ngoba na blood and water ti. Tiba la twako zama potatoes never zidiba obvious. So ne azibona ngandrene abo empty ngayo una space.
Badiba muwe na muwe. Abatu yoto umbrelo roya ngabe chipinyi no bani diba cause ni 40 ndi number you know.
40 class 40 kai.
And any of those are blind comments and you anenda ndikunyanga itulwa mini ndi hoyo. Zvino kama na 18 ngari mini. Abera chi jewelry 8 and the class yone itukuka yachikeba.
Nguzibona.
Ziteske.
And chikabana awangela zofi room ndi khulwane so bapangeni bothe babe 80 kanti no ndo divide kanyiwa. So hey guys richiko conclude that's the crazy facts then that's the one ka TikTok ndichiko ita ndiko prep no ndiko go through TikTok also sometimes do you actually know you don't need to raise your hand to knock on a door? I was actually like
you can knock here.
No, you can knock like this. You don't need to like. There's no need for you to raise your head and knock. Like,
wow, yeah.
Like you do something. Yes, go. That's the. But what come Lori? Nigga, si fanda no kaso.
Oh, mas já vai só chanda so.
Oh, The same thing, man. Impact is the same. What if I'm in a direction or
fancy.
So guys, don't need to raise your hand to knock on a door.
Guys, I'm gonna need to raise
and then the other one in the one of me. Oh, do you actually know, Ori? You just need a paper to fight Dwayne The Rock.
You just need a paper to fight what?
You just need a paper to fight The Rock.
Cut rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, so Dwayne Johnson. So you Dwayne, The Rock or wrestling. You just need a paper to fight that guy.
TikTok of Iko viral.
The TikTok is big.
What? Iko viral in TikTok.
Yeah,
wow.
So guys, then there is Iko viral. Remember last time Ronu Buzanga nga ini maruba mona. Oh, okay.
That to be the last thing.
Okay, last thing yanga ke ya wa fight dog. So wine tasting ya Macbeth wines. It's official 16 September 2023 nga 12:30. Ufuna ndo half past 11 abantu Venda. Hey. Maria, it's 12:30 is the actual time, so be there guys. Abig
La Mami
restaurant, yeah, near Global. For any info 082-558-1571 if it's on the fan post and Mudau. So yeah, that's just it. So
yeah, that's it. Ndiano
yeah, ndianga in outro inon.
Nayanga ndiya maruba. I don't know what you know now, right? Okay, yeah, hangoputa ache fresh.
No, tomora zvitu.
No visa ane ache ba right. So I got flowers and then no baro la message you when ndasonda. Oh, but it was so emotional.
Summarize that.
Okay, she was basically talking about how she loves what we're doing. Congratulations for the 6,000 followers.
Ooh.
How we've touched lives. And everyone island to know. I'm like, hey, that was oh, thank you. This is sweet. I'm like, I'm gonna give her the address. It's fine. No. Visas to put. But I'm like, who are these people? And then I'm like, oh damn, they meant
it.
They're like, I don't know how they came. And then visa butu nibachonga about run delivery because hauna mangwe and they saw really good flowers. If he shiluva shamina, I don't know. Yeah, that's the name on Instagram, right? No ibona ne. Yeah, they brought me real roses, guys.
Yeah, they guys.
Not hayanga hapa ngamrao tije type yanga mrao if mean mara. They brought me real roses. Who's shiluva is sunflower like roses. So yeah, that was it made me cry. And then it went about a week.
At this and next time at this my phone I was shoot in Rwanda rather because me what the opera like na the petals lads are white. Oh nakanga so yeah, shout out.
Beautiful. And nazina kadiba fresh
over. Hey, azo panga zichire de pala petu ene. Azo nazichire de kama ruwa. Come a reply. Okay, wamba changani la kuvutisa lana kama ruva an'wina a wu veki mali na or wa pfa u yi dzumbini fana yi tiva a ri ko ya go liva. Yeah, so yeah,
marona sangana ji yakona neli divasesi ya rose
na koma lungo. Yeah, so guys, we're gone. So
but thank you so much for the flowers,
keep
guys.
Subscribing, you know, the Black Couch Diaries.
Biwa arishkeka 7,000 or ndipuwa maruba.
So much at the Saka 7. Zdoba nom, Arkonya Gaga 10.
You can't smoke Papa, Shumis Maruba Captain.
I don't with this are separate as a Black Couch. Come up and
this time around.
Munan Maruba.
Munanga Shumaka Black Couch, welcome Black.
No, good Rambo, when you put it a Maruba Kabatu, Baku ring it a lot too. About us good this.
Shiluva.
In Nasco Power, in Mangrasa Power in a Black Couch.
Atikasi wana maglasa black out na chikipacha black out ndi arwara thoni ne nanga shuta no ambara apa kebenda na uniform zo tina uniform zino aunga ambari wizaza usikela ndi chibena uniform period nza this is a magnified rambara show tiriko shuta
ngambara ni ajena kachila shoot au next large. Okay, cut that bad.